All right, so a common misconception people are taught is that you drink something, it becomes your pee, and when you eat, it becomes food. Was that when mom told you that? No. Your job of your nurse is to get stuff out of your bloodstream. Nothing you drink directly becomes urine. It goes into the bloodstream and then it becomes urine. Make sense? So, the important idea for tonight is that the job of your nurse is to get your blood clean. So, let's pretend we're going to do that. So let's look at the organs of our urinary system. There are only 4. So you can just thank me later. Alright, upside down backwards. Here we go. Someone pretend you're peeing. Where am I going to start? Kidney. Kidney goes to where?
Ureter.
Ureter. Or ureter. You can say either way. It's okay. Ureters go where? Go to bladder. Alright. So, where does my bladder go? Urethra. Okay, lab warning, class warning. More people miss points because they confuse ureter with urethra. So, you have 2 ureters, normally you have 1 urethra. So we remember 2 E's, the 2 of them. If you get catheter put in, please make sure it's this one. If they want to put your ureter, that's a much bigger deal. Okay, but your kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. So far, so good? So we're going to zoom in on the kidney. Let's find a kidney. Let's do that. Here's kidney. Pretty. What's all that red and blue crud?
Blood.
How about this about pee? Why is there blood up there? Filtering our blood. So all the blood in your body is going to go running through your kidney. Or if there's about 5 times a day, all your blood goes through. Okay? So we're going to zoom in on that kidney a little more. Here's that kidney, and here's a little microscopic part of it. Anyone find the magic word to know on that slide? Nephron. Nephron. So the kidney contains nephrons, little teeny tubes. Here is one nephron saying hello to you. All right, so what's the job of the nephron? What's the job of your urinary system? Filter. What's the job of your nephron?
Filter.
So the nephron is the worker of your urinary system. That's what's doing the work. Your kidney is just a place to live. Okay? So these are microscopic. You cannot see them with your eye. So there's all these little nephrons inside my kidney doing the work. Let's zoom in on a nephron. Here are some nephrons. Again, why is there red and blue crud? Blood, good old blood flow. So here's a micrograph. Yippee yippee. But here's our nephrons. The things are going to do the work of filtering the blood. So we're going to do is we'll make it simpler than that. I'm going to take that and unravel it and make it look like that. So the pink thing again is a what? Blood vessel for filtering blood. This yellow thing represents the nephron, the worker in the kidney. We just straightened it out. So we're going to learn the 3 steps to making my nephrons do their job. Someone tell me what step number 1 is. The answer is poison and life. Filtration. Hey. So the first step to filtering my blood is filtration. Okay. In filtration, what's going where? Let's look at the A. What's going where? Blood. From blood to what?
Nephron.
To nephron. Good answer. So in A, filtration, waste goes from the blood to the nephron. That's filtration. What happens after I do filtration? What's my next step? The answer's on the slide. Reabsorption. Someone tell me what goes where in reabsorption? From where to where? Line B. From nephron back to the blood. That seems silly. So infiltration, blood to nephron, and reabsorption, nephron to blood.
Is the waste is no longer in it though?
Well, we'll find out. Hold that thought. Okay, step 3 is what? Secretion. Tell me what's going where? From my PTL, yes. From my blood to my nephron. Okay, by now you should be really confused, right? So we went from blood to nephron, then spun around the nephron back to blood, then did another U-turn, blood back to nephron. And when we do all 3 of those things, what have we made if you do step 1, 2, and 3? Urine versus you're out. Don't ever hit that anymore. So the yellow arrow here, that's pee. Those are my 3 steps to doing this. Okay, now you're going to do some work for me. You got your packet of death. Your packet of pee. Oh, I think that's it. You're going to do a little data crunching for me today. No. On the excretory activity, it's a 1-pager with a table at the top. Yeah. Should be after the urinary case study. Time 1, okay. Excretory activity. Time 1, Make it me. Okay, let me walk you through this table so you can understand what's going on. On the upper left column, we have things in our blood. So remind me what glucose was. Sugar, okay, albumin. Protein, egg white protein to be specific. RBCs are good. WBCs, red blood cells, sodium and potassium are known as electrolytes or salts. Okay. Urea and uric acid, those are new. What is urea? Comes from ammonia. So let's figure that out. Urea is a waste product. From what? Waste from what?
Plasma?
Plasma, yes, plasma what?
Amino acids breakdown.
Very good. For proteins. So if you have a triple Whopper cheese, you're going to make urea as part of the waste product from breaking down protein. So tell me what uric acid is.
Missing the sweater.
Take a guess.
Ooh, from fat. Oh, yeah.
No.
From, the urea.
Waste from
Glucose.
protein.
Protein.
Protein again. It depends on which amino acids are based on. Orthostriated uric acid is also known as bird pee. That white stuff on your windshield, that's for pee. The brown stuff, that's for poop. Okay? So, you have urea and uric acid. So, in general, they're waste products. They could be in your bloodstream. Water, we should know, right? Okay, so the first column with numbers.
Protein.
Concentration in the blood. On my picture here, where would I find those numbers? Where's blood here?
RBC.
In the pinky part. Okay. So, that first row with numbers would represent up here somewhere. Okay, the second column with numbers is concentration in filtrate. Where is filtrate? Filtrate would be after we do A, after we filter. So the second column with numbers means here, after I've filtered it. I've made filtrate. So last column with numbers says urine. Where's urine?
Yellow.
That's right. All the yellow arrow by the toilet bowl. There. After I did A, B, and C. So I have numbers from my blood up there, numbers for filtrate here, numbers for urine down there. So taking a snapshot of those, replace it. Make sense? Your job with that data in your brain, answer questions 1, 2, 3. Go for it. See if you can figure that out using data.